The following message has been transmitted by the National Geological Weather Survey. The National Geological Weather has detected a Hurricane Nestor that is heading from Gulf of Mexico to southern and southeastern US states. At this time, all residents should now prepare to seek out of shelter immediately. Get to a shelter that has one door and no windows. Seal all doors with wood or duct tape. Bring necessary supples for shelter in place, including non-friable foods, water, medical supplies, battery-powered radio with spare batteries, flashlight with spare batteries. Do not use the telephone. Telephone should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert has been activated.